Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hdri. If you want to learn Hdri writing with Vray Next, this tutorial is exactly for you. So you can see here is a scene ready which I worked a few years ago. So let's go into the setting. I'm using Vray Next. I'm just increasing the minute here. Just switch on the override, not the left side. I just did it with mistakes and add a material on the override. So instance this material here on the material slot. I'm using select material editor, put the number 170 and then close material editor. Now I'll set a physical camera. It's not important to use Vray or physical camera exactly, because the render quality doesn't depend on this camera. This is just a thing where you feel comfortable. So I feel comfortable with physical camera, that's why I'm using it. Select the camera from here. Okay, just increase the focal length like 30. Decrease a little bit. I think this is fine for now. Definitely tick mark this area, auto vertical tilt for all architectural render. So now we'll go to Vray Dome light. Just click on any surface. So from Vray Dome light texture, will pick Vray Hdri. So here is Hdri. I will use it. Just open this Hdri and then click on the material slot. I'll just open the light lister and instance the Hdri texture from the light to material. So here is some default value which is 1 and 1. I'm just decreasing because of the preview. Like you can see, I have added 0.01 with 100, which is equivalent to 100. Sorry, 1. So you can leave it as it is, like 1 and 1. You do not need to change it. So let's see what happened. Is almost burned. So select the camera, just decrease the EV value from here. Like if you increase the value, it will decrease the light. So I have something like 14. So it looks pretty good to me. Now I need to change the direction of the sun. So it's now from the right side. I want it from the left side. So just changing to get what I desire. So I think that's fine. So this is 1 by default, but if you decrease it like 0.8, 0.9, the contrast will increase. The highlighted area will be more lighted and the darker area will be more darker. So it's just for contrast, you can use it. If you do not need more contrast, you can leave it as it is, like 1. So we'll go to render setup. Just untick the override material and then render again. Let's see what happened. So it looks too dark. So what we can do now, we can decrease the EV value so the light will increase. Look okay to me now. I will just decrease the highlights to reduce the burn. So now it's pretty good. I just want to this was previously used, so I will delete it. I will just add denoiser to get a very clean render faster. So I will add the denoiser from here and just change this from here, and then I will add this is a tutorial. I don't need render 4000. I will just decrease the render size and will render again. So it's rendering. I just want to say a few things, like if you have searched a lot of HDR lighting tutorial for Vray, you don't need to search a lot. What I have shown here, this can be the one-stop solution for HDR lighting with Vray Next. You do not need any other method to use just for HDR lighting. If you use HDR with sun, that's a different issue, but if you do lighting with HDR, that's important. So here I just copied the HDRI. I will just switch off the dome light. I will just make invisible the dome light, and we'll use the copy of environment with instance with the environment setup. So you can see I just put it here. Now I will just decrease the value. First I will set the value to the default 1 and 1, and then I will reduce the overall multiplier. So now render. It's too dark. I will increase it a little bit more. So it's 0.7 now. Okay, this looks nice. So here you can see the render is almost done. I just stopped it at 8 minutes and it looks pretty clean. So if you have any question or any queries, you may ask at the comment below, and thanks for watching. Thank you. be sure to subscribe for more video. So while saving, you do not need to adjust, override or anything. I'm just using the default setup, so you don't need to change anything like any gamma 1 or 2.2 anything. Just save it, and that's all.